Hi there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a door frame and then attach it to a wall. In this video I have a double brick wall, common brick, and the width of the wall is 222. It's just a standard external wall, so it's a load bearing wall. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to refer to a door frame type, and on the grade 9 teams team, I've put a picture on here of two types of doors that you can use for your pats. You can just use these as standard doors for your kitchen pats, and then grade 10s and 11s you guys can obviously use these as well if you want to. You can just refer to your books. Your books have a whole lot of different door frames and specs, so that's entirely up to you. So this is an external wall, obviously, that I'm doing. It's a load bearing, so I'm going to use an external door frame. So let's go with the top one here, 135 by 34 by 46 at the bottom and by 90 here. Obviously these measurements will make themselves up as we construct. So I'm going to go ahead and draft one of these up on CAD now. Right, so I've completed a drawing of one external door frame. If we go back, we have 135, 46, 90, and 34 at the top. As I said, those measurements will make themselves. So I have done that. So what we need to do is obviously attach this door frame to the wall here and over here. So what I'm going to first do is copy it, because I need two door frames. Excuse me, let me do that again. I'm going to copy, type obviously the copy command in, highlight the object, press enter, specify the base point, whichever point you want, and just move it across. So what we're going to do is we're going to move this door frame and attach it to the wall over here. So I'm going to move it by typing in the move command, highlighting it, and this base point that I'm going to select is the center of this portion of this line over here. So I'm going to take where it lights up with the triangle, make sure you got your snaps on. I'm going to drag that across, take off my perpendicular so I can move in any direction, and I'm going to go attach it there, triangle to triangle, so center to center. And I've got that now flush on the middle of the wall. That's what you want. Now, you'll notice that the copy I have over here is the wrong way around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to mirror it. So I'm going to type in mirror, press enter. I'm going to highlight my object. Again, I'm going to go to that center point over here, and I'm going to flip it around. And I'm not going to keep the other. Sorry, I'm going to do that one more time. So I'm going to mirror, enter. And I'm going to flip it around. Sorry, I think that's what I want. Sorry, that's the mirroring I want. And then no, I don't want to keep the other. Sorry, I don't know why I've kept that now. Delete it. Right, so there we have it. We have an additional door frame, and it's in the right position to fit on this wall. Then I'm going to move, enter, highlight, get the middle center point, and then move it onto the center point over here. Okay. Now I'm assuming obviously that this door, we walk into the kitchen over here. So obviously there'll be a step naturally over here, joining the wall over there. So here's a nice little shortcut. Instead of you going to measure the width of your door, which you can if you want to, but here's a little shortcut. I'm going to create a door that's going to be exactly the dimensions. It's going to fit snug into this little opening here. In the door frame where the door should sit. Okay, so I'm going to complete that space in with a rectangle. And now what I'm going to do is, depending on which way you want to open it, I'm going to click the rotate. And really, if you think about it, what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be opening the door manually by using this command. So we want to hinge it on that point because I'm going to open it up to the left. So obviously if you want to open it up to the right, you're going to choose the opposite point to hinge on. But I want to hinge it on that point over there, and you'll see now I've just moved it around. So that's what the rotate command can do. Once it's open, you obviously now need to indicate that with a door swing, and we're going to use our arch. Go to center start end command. So the center point of my arc is obviously going to be on that hinge point there. I'm going to drag it across to the opposite side, and there I'm going to start there, and I'm going to end over there. So you'll see now I've got two door frames for an external wall, a load bearing wall, and I've got my door open with the door swing shown. So that's a very simple way on how to construct a door and a door frame. I hope this helps you guys.